Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring eye's blind spot, so let's dive right in. Our eyes are remarkable organs that allow us to see the world around us. The key parts we will be emphasizing are the cornea, the iris, the lens, and the retina. As you can see from this diagram, light enters the eye through the cornea, passes through the pupil, controlled by the iris, and is then focused by the lens onto the retina at the back of the eye. The retina is a layer of specialized cells that line the back of the eye. It contains millions of light-sensitive cells called photoreceptors, which convert light into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. Now, let's discuss the blind spot. Believe it or not, every eye has a blind spot where there are no photoreceptor cells. This occurs because the optic nerve, which carries visual information to the brain, exits the eye at a certain point on the retina, creating a gap. Take a look at this illustration. You can see that where the optic nerve leaves the eye, there are no photoreceptor cells, resulting in a blind spot. So, how do we compensate for this blind spot? Our brain is incredibly clever. It fills in the missing information from the blind spot using the surrounding visual information. This process is known as interpolation. To demonstrate how interpolation works, let's perform a simple experiment. Close your left eye and focus your right eye on the spot on the left side of the screen. Slowly move your face closer to the screen while still focusing on the spot. Did you notice that the dot on the right side disappeared? This happens because the image of the dot falls on the blind spot of your right eye. But don't worry, your brain fills in the missing information so you don't perceive a gap in your vision. It's important to note that having two eyes is advantageous, because each eye has its own blind spot. However, since the blind spots of our two eyes don't overlap, our brain can use the information from the other eye to compensate. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.